My name's George Griffin. We're at the Thistle Hotel in Heathrow at the Samuel Leeds BRR event. Yeah, really good. So I've been in the academy since January. So there's a lot of stuff that I've, already done online training. So a lot of this is just a good refresher. But of course, there's still loads of stuff that's, I haven't covered that is really great to, learn about now. Yeah, it is inspiring. I was talking to somebody last night who, he was about 40 years old, and he was saying how he's inspired that I'm here because I'm younger. I'm only 22, and so that then inspired me. But yeah, the energy in the room's really good. You got people cheering out all the time. It's really good. Yeah, I mean, he's a lot. He's obviously full of energy. But yeah, no, it's funny seeing him in person because obviously I first started watching YouTube in 2021, and so it's been a slow progress from there to now to joining the academy, and so even seeing him in person is a little bit strange, but yeah, he's amazing.
Amazing. What about when did he show you guys? Did like 20 of you guys get leads, cryptocurrencies?
Yeah, I made a call for that. I didn't actually then get through to anybody, but. I tried that I've got a few leads for some good BRRs. So obviously need to make some calls, but then see how that goes.
Amazing. And final question, to anyone who's thinking about getting into property, do you give us a
Definitely, yeah. Because there's so many so many strategies that you can't possibly, know what you're doing without it, because you could be going in, say, yeah, just doing a BRR, but without the lease option agreement training. Just there's so many things that can help you navigate around different problems that can save you loads of money. So definitely, I think it's worth it.